Hi, welcome back. I want to show you today how I made these earrings like this mosaic using a simple frame. It's going to be fun and I hope you enjoy it. So I just did this and to make it irregular. So I'm going to do the same thing except that I'm going to go horizontally and so that you can see the difference. So I've got my masking tape and I'm going to try to emulate some of these beads so that it's lined up the same way so we can compare apples to apples. Masking tape with the sticky side up is a great design hack because it holds in place your design and the beads until you use it. Okay, so I'm going to use a length of wire here, not too long, not too short. And I love the masking tape because it holds everything in place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire wrap once. Like I was saying before, you don't need to close it off by wire wrapping all of it. The short wire with the long wire around the long wire, because first off, make sure that there's no slack, because the weight of the other beads will keep it from unraveling, as well as this frame is rectangular and I got fairly soft wire. Okay, so got this, and then in the back I'm simply going to trim. Make sure that, there we go, and then I'm going to wrap around twice here. Okay, now I'm ready to begin. So I'm just going to go zigzag all four in a line. Okay, so I got all four of them. And don't worry if they don't fit exactly, because all it will do is create a concave. So this wire came up, the other one, just to be more stable, the other one you want it going down first along the frame so it doesn't bubble over. Okay. And then what you do is you hold on to it and just make a kink like this. And as you go in, pull the wire. Make sure that it is tight. And you can decide, I think I'm going to do twice around. You can do 3, 4, it's just as long as it is the same right and left, it's less messy looking. So I've got this so far. Since it came from the bottom, I'm going to go over like this. And before you pull, straighten it out. It always helps to use a pair of pliers. Okay. So I've got this so far, and I've done twice around, and I'm going to continue on. This is where we are. Hold it exactly the way you want it, and then pull on the other wire so that it'll hold in place. And whenever possible, try not to kink your wire as you're threading through. Like, I'll show you. See, if I don't smoothen it out, it might just give me a kink. And then it's just easier just to unkink it like this. Okay, so got my last one. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to hold on to this, make sure that they all fit like such. I'm happy. So, and it's always good to smoothen it out. This is developing a kink. There we go. Now, I'm just going to end it off here because I want to. You can wrap around the frame if you wish, all the way at the top. I'm just going to do this and see if I like this better. So which one do you like better? Actually, I think I like this better.